Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 10 Standard Subject Biology.
Good morning, my dear students. Next lesson, heredity and evolution. மரபு மற்றும் பரிணாம வளர்ச்சி. What is heredity? The hereditary characters is transferred from one generation to next generation is called heredity. What that means, மரபணுக்கள் ஒரு தலைமுறையிலிருந்து இன்னொரு தலைமுறைக்கு கடத்தப்படுது தான் நம்ம ஹெரிடிட்டின்னு சொல்கிறோம். We know that all living organisms, that is plants and animals, reproduce for the existence and continuity of their species. They produce offspring either through asexual or sexual reproduction. The offspring resemble each other and their parents in certain fundamental characters, but they are not exact copies of their parents and show some differences also. Organisms which reproduce through asexual reproduction resemble each other and their single parent to a large extent. They have very few differences through sexual mode of reproduction, usually so many distinct variations that are visible among them and their parents. Due to these differences, each organism has its own identity. This can be understood by an example. If you observe a field of sugarcane, you notice that the sugarcane plants in the field are quite similar. You find only minor differences in the individual plants. This is because the sugarcane plants are produced by asexual reproduction. Most animals, including human beings, reproduce sexually and they are similar to their parents but not exactly similar. There are more differences observed in sexually reproducing species due to various biological processes which occur at the time of reproduction. Due to these variations, no two persons look similar except identical or homozygotic twins. Life on Earth originated some 3.6 billion years ago. It has been proved by several scientists that a series of chemical reactions on the primitive Earth gave rise to earliest life forms. Though continuous and gradual changes, new organisms arose. These changes were inherited and gave rise to enormous diversity of organisms on the earth. In this chapter, we shall study about the inheritance of characters and evolution of new species. Next, accumulation of variations during reproduction. During reproduction, characters are inherited or transmitted from one generation to the other, that is, from parents to the offspring. There are two aspects. First, inheritance of basic body structure. Second, inheritance of suitable changes that enable the organisms for better adaptations. Variations are produced in organisms through reproduction, whether they multiply asexually or sexually. The variations produced in organisms during successive generations get accumulated in the organisms and pass on to more and more individuals of each generation. Look at figure which represent the situations where a single individual, that is bacterium, reproduces. The original organisms, that is the bacterium, divides and produce two similar bacteria with few changes. These bacteria divide and reproduce. 4 individual bacteria are produced, that is 2 from each. These 4 bacteria will be similar, but there would be minor differences. Some of these variations would be unique and will be inherited from the parents to the next generation. Let us take an example of a bacterial colony which inhabits a place. There is variations in heat resisting characteristics of bacteria. If there occurs a rise rise in temperature, most of the bacteria will die. Only those bacteria will survive which are able to withstand high environmental temperature. In future generations of bacteria, the variations of more heat resistance will go on accumulating and will ultimately develop a high heat resistance variety of bacteria. These bacteria will be able to survive even at very high environmental temperature. Okay, thank you students.